Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of AI-powered swarm drones. Imagine a flock of birds, but replace them with drones, and you've got swarm drones. These little guys are revolutionizing how we think about aerial tech. So, how do they work? At the heart of it all is artificial intelligence. Each drone in the swarm is equipped with AI algorithms that allow them to communicate with each other in real time. Think of it like a group chat for drones. They share information about their surroundings and adjust their positions accordingly. This means they can fly in perfect formation, avoid obstacles, and even adapt to new conditions on the fly. Now, let's talk about coordination. Traditional drones need a human pilot, but swarm drones, they're autonomous. Thanks to their AI brains, they can make decisions on their own. For example, if one drone detects a threat or an obstacle, it relays that info to the rest of the swarm. Instantly, they all adjust their paths to avoid danger. But it's not just about dodging obstacles. These drones can execute complex tasks together. Imagine a search and rescue mission where the drones spread out to cover more ground, then come together to relay their findings, or delivering packages in record time by optimizing their routes collectively. What's even cooler is that these drones can learn from each other. Through machine learning, they improve their performance over time, making each mission more efficient than the last. So there you have it. AI-powered swarm drones are a game changer, combining the power of artificial intelligence with the agility of drones to create something truly futuristic. If you're as excited about this tech as I am, hit that like button and stay tuned for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.